welcome back to Simply You Makeup. It is always a pleasure to have you here. In today's collab, we are going to talk about what today's makeup feels and is like to us. Beauty in 2023. Keeping It Real Fun Collab group is a fun group that does collabs, and this theme is picked and was picked by Leanna Dalton. She has a YouTube channel, go visit her. And H Graceful is our host for the Keeping It Real Fun Collab group. She has a channel, go check her out also. I am very thankful that you join and pick our collab to look at today. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go check them out and see what eye look that they created for this collab. My eyes are based and prime, and now I just set it with Milani eyeshadow, and I'm ready to create something beautiful. June collab theme is, what does beauty mean to you in 2023? Beauty for me in 2023 is I can express myself with all different color makeup, all different types of makeup look, and at the end of the day I can get to wash it all off and still remain me in my original form. I am taking the green color and I am putting it in my crease. Just want to darken my crease a little bit and create a look. The next question is, what does beauty mean to me on a personal level? On a personal level, beauty for me is that I can enhance my beauty and still look like me. I can enhance my beauty with makeup and still look like me. The next question says, in a social media influencer world with so many new products being released, are you a trend follower or do you walk to the beat of your own drum? I'm not a trend follower to the point where I have to have it all in beauty or it's a must-have. But I'm a trend follower in a way. If a new palette comes out and I really want it and I think I need it, I will eventually have it. But I don't go after each and every one. So in that form, I'm not a trend follower. I don't buy everything that comes out. I will not buy everything that shows up. So in that form, I'm not a trend follower. And I do match to my own drum in some things. because you have to remember who you are, but you also can follow trends without going into debt. Use what you have and make it do. If you see a new palette and you want it, you work hard for your money, do whatever you want with it. Have fun. If that's your joy, go for it. But for me, I will pick and choose the ones I want to purchase and I will purchase them. So yes and no, I'm a trend follower and I match to my own drum beat. There are so many pretty colors in here. I am going to go right here with this one. And this is the complete eye look for Keeping It Real Fun collab. The theme for June's collab is what does beauty mean to us now in 2023? What does beauty mean to you on a personal level in a social media influencer world with so many new products being released? Are you a trend follower or do you walk to the beat of your own drum? Create a look that shows what beauty means to you. Is self-acceptance the new trend? Accept yourself whichever way you want. Self-acceptance is what makes you happy, what brings you joy. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, their information is in my description box. Please go check them out. And again, this is me. Remember, you are important and stay empowered. And the lipstick that I used today is by Milani and it is 22 and it's a I Am Powerful. This is the lipstick. Again, be safe, be well, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.